Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're doing chicken and spinach curry in a cast iron Kadai. I'm just going to put the cast iron pan onto the brick built stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil's hot enough, I've got 2 chicken breasts that I've just chopped into about 1.5 inch cubes. And we're just going to get these coloured off, seal the chicken. Then we're going to add 1 chopped onion. I'm just going to saute this onion off for a couple of minutes, just till it starts to take on some colour. So our chicken's got some colour on it, the onion's just taken on a bit of colour and starting to soften. The next thing to add is 1 grated garlic clove. I'm going to cook this for about a minute. I'm going to keep it moving in this hot pan because I don't want it to stick to the bottom and burn and go bitter. Then I've got 3/4 cup of Korma curry paste. I'll put a link above to show you how I made this. I'm going to stir this in. This is a raw paste, so it needs cooking out, so I'm going to give this a couple of minutes. Keep it moving. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Once again, this needs cooking out to take that bit of rawness and bitterness off it. So this will take probably a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add a little bit of heat with 1 chopped red chilli. This was a dried red chilli that I just put in water to bring it back. You can use fresh if you want. Right, I've got 100ml, that's 3 fluid ounces of chicken stock. We're just going to add that to the pan. This will also deglaze the bottom of the pan and get any bits on the bottom that's stuck. It will lift them. So now it's started to take on the resemblance of a curry. I'm going to add 250ml, that's 8 fluid ounces of Tomato Passata. Combine this in. This is going to give us a deep red colour. We'll let this cook out for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of sweetness. I've got 2 tablespoons of mango chutney. So we're just going to combine this into the curry sauce. So now we're going to add our spinach. I'd say 1 big handful of spinach. I've got these frozen pucks of spinach. I'm going to add 2 to begin with to see how it looks. If need be, I'll add the 3rd. So I'm just going to keep moving these around in this hot sauce just to make these puck melt. I know it'll look better with a big handful of fresh spinach going in, but I didn't have any fresh spinach. I just had this frozen. So I have added that 3rd puck of spinach. You can see it's melted down. The curry's taken on a nice colour. I'm just going to finish it with a handful of chopped coriander. I'm just going to stir this coriander in. I'm not going to cook it through. I'm just going to let the residual heat in the curry just wilt this coriander. This is Dutchy's Chicken and Spinach Curry, served with some basmati rice and a fresh chapati. If you like what we're doing here with Dutch Cooking, please remember to subscribe and hit that bell.